Ethereum is testing a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just made another 43% this week in terms of trading, as well as this whole dip opportunity. Our Telegram channel has absolutely killed it. If you guys are still thinking about joining, make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a $35,000 deposit bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we have broken above the 1715 range, and right now we are looking for that pullback opportunity to the downside. Ideally, this is going to be a very crucial range for Ethereum to actually end up holding before a possible retest to 1787. And for those of you that are in the Telegram channel, you guys saw we took a beautiful 10% buy opportunity on Ethereum, riding the wave to the upside. Now, the reason why is you'll notice that we do have a somewhat double top confirmation happening with a very strong bearish engulfing candle, but the key here is, of course, to pay attention to our exponential moving averages, since we are still using them as support. I mentioned in yesterday's video that as long as we remain above the 1658 support level, we are looking for a bullish confirmation, and the only reason we would be entering some shorting opportunities would be if we were looking for those scalps. Otherwise, right now Ethereum is heading into major high resistance levels here at 1787, and of course, as you guys already know, we did have scenario A play out perfectly. I mentioned scenario A where we ended up retesting the 1421 level as support, then seeing a parabolic rise to 1787 before grabbing that liquidity to the downside. And as of right now, you'll notice, of course, the fact on the previous price analysis, we actually managed to test the 1787 level multiple times before we ended up having a breakdown formation. This is the exact same situation which we are seeing right now in Ethereum, where we are seeing multiple retest opportunities at this major resistance level. But I would be very careful looking for a shorting opportunity, because assuming we do end up breaking above 1787, this is going to cause a massive short squeeze opportunity where Ethereum could easily go all the way up to $2,000. The reason why I mentioned that is if you look on previous price analysis right now, there really isn't anything in between this range as resistance going all the way up to $2,000. The last time we ended up breaking above 1787, you can see that we had an absolute parabolic rise before that continuation to the downside. So this is the theory in terms of a bullish case scenario that we have to keep in mind. Although the current price analysis on Ethereum does look very manipulated, not only on the 4-hour but even on the hourly time frame, you'll notice that we do have a very slow ladder case upwards while using these EMAs as support without any sort of clean confirmation to the downside or even a stronger pullback. Ideally, the range in terms of a bullish invalidation would remain at 1518. You'll notice on the hourly that we are also heading into extreme overbought conditions, but I would be waiting until we tested 1787 before looking for that opportunity for a scalp. Even here on the daily time frame, you'll notice that we are still failing to break above the 1715 resistance. Now, of course, depending on how the daily candlestick closes today, if we do get a close above 1715 and use that area as support, that's going to present a very nice buy opportunity. But we have to keep in mind that tomorrow is the weekend and we are heading into weekend manipulation. Ideally, right now, you want to be very careful of entering any sort of position until the daily candlestick closes. Only then would we have a proper confirmation and where Ethereum is likely looking to head. But the fact is, you'll notice even on this whole run-up opportunity on Ethereum for the past 2 weeks, we have seen that the 1715 resistance level has acted as a very strong resistance point. This is why I've been mentioning in Telegram to pay attention to these lines, because if, assuming we do end up getting that breakout formation, we will be looking for an explosive move. You guys can see from our shorting position on Ethereum the past 2 days ago, we entered a short for a beautiful 27%. Why? Because we knew that the 1612 support level is lining up with our 9 and 20 exponential moving average, which is a perfect buy opportunity. Now that we have driven this move set towards the upside, it is an area of being patient and waiting until the market tells us exactly where to go, because right now a lot of traders are looking for that long opportunity within this range, and ideally if we get caught within this range and we do end up seeing a stronger pullback, this will absolutely destroy a lot of traders. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, if you guys are interested in free $35,000 bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.